Question 1. Which physical quantity is represented by the area under a force-time graph? A. Impulse. B. Momentum. C. Work. D. Power. The correct answer is A. Impulse. Question 2. The c unit of angular momentum is equivalent to. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 3. Which of the following is a vector quantity? A. Energy. B. Power. C. Pressure. D. Momentum. The correct answer is D. Momentum. Question 4. The phenomenon responsible for mirage is A. Reflection. B. Dispersion. C. Total internal reflection. D. Diffraction. The correct answer is C. Total internal reflection. Question 5. The dimensional formula of pressure is A. ml superscript 1 T superscript 2. B. mlt superscript 2. C. mlt superscript 2. D. ml superscript 2 T superscript 2. The correct answer is A. ml superscript 1 T superscript 2. Question 6. Which law explains the recoil of a gun? A. Newton's first law. B. Newton's second law. C. Newton's third law. D. Law of gravitation. The correct answer is C. Newton's third law. Question 7. The frequency of a wave is measured in A. Second. B. Hertz. C. Meter. D. Joule. The correct answer is B. Hertz. Question 8. Which device is used to measure electric current? A. Voltmeter. B. Galvanometer. C. Ammeter. D. Potentiometer. The correct answer is C. Ammeter. Question 9. The speed of light in vacuum is approximately. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 10. Which quantity remains constant in uniform circular motion? A. Velocity. B. Speed. C. Acceleration. D. Direction. The correct answer is B. Speed. Question 11. The work done by a gas in an isobaric process is equal to A. Delta U. B. P delta V. C. V delta P. D. nRT. The correct answer is B. P delta V. Question 12. The moment of inertia depends on A. Mass only. B. Shape only. C. Axis of rotation. D. Angular velocity. The correct answer is C. Axis of rotation. Question 13. The equivalent capacitance of two capacitors in series is A. Greater than each. B. Equal to some. C. Less than each. D. Infinite. The correct answer is C. Less than each. Question 14. In SHM, the acceleration is proportional to A. Velocity. B. Displacement. C. Square of displacement. D. Time period. The correct answer is B. Displacement. Question 15. Which law relates electric field with charge distribution? A. Coulomb's law. B. Gauss's law. C. Faraday's law. D. Ampere's law. The correct answer is B. Gauss's law. Question 16. The power factor of an AC circuit is the cosine of the phase angle between A. Voltage and resistance. B. Current and resistance. C. Voltage and current. D. Voltage and impedance. The correct answer is C. Voltage and current. Question 17. The refractive index of a medium is maximum for A. Red light. B. Yellow light. C. Green light. D. Violet light. The correct answer is D. Violet light. Question 18. The binding energy per nucleon is highest for nuclei near A. Hydrogen. B. Iron. C. Uranium. D. Helium. The correct answer is B. Iron. Question 19. The average kinetic energy of gas molecules is directly proportional to A. Pressure. B. Volume. C. Temperature. D. Density. The correct answer is C. Temperature. Question 20. The drift velocity of electrons increases with increase in A. Resistance. B. Length. C. Electric field. D. Temperature. The correct answer is C. Electric field. Question 21. The angular velocity of the hour hand of a clock is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 22. In Young's double-slit experiment, fringe width is independent of A. Wavelength. B. Slit separation. C. Screen distance. D. Intensity. The correct answer is D. Intensity. Question 23. The magnetic field inside a long straight current carrying conductor is A. 0. B. Uniform. C. Circular around wire. D. Radially outward. The correct answer is C. Circular around wire. Question 24. The efficiency of a Carnot engine depends on A. Working substance. B. Temperature difference. C. Pressure. D. Volume. The correct answer is B. Temperature difference. Question 25. The stopping potential in photoelectric effect depends on A. Intensity, B. Frequency, C. Distance, D. Area. The correct answer is B. Frequency. Question 26. The phenomenon of beats occurs due to A. Diffraction, B. Interference, C. Superposition of close frequencies, D. Reflection. The correct answer is C. Superposition of close frequencies. Question 27. The electric potential inside a charged conducting sphere is A. 0, B. Maximum at surface, C. Constant, D. Infinite. The correct answer is C. Constant. Question 28. The center of mass of an isolated system moves with A. Zero velocity, B. Constant velocity, C. Increasing velocity, D. Decreasing velocity. The correct answer is B. Constant velocity. Question 29. The time period of a simple pendulum increases if A. Length decreases, B. G increases, C. Length increases, D. Mass increases. The correct answer is C. Length increases. Question 30. The de Broglie wavelength of a particle is inversely proportional to its A. Energy, B. Velocity, C. Momentum, D. Mass. The correct answer is C. Momentum. Question 31. Which statement violates classical physics and led to quantum theory? A. Photoelectric effect, B. Reflection, C. Refraction, D. Diffraction. The correct answer is A. Photoelectric effect. Question 32. The magnetic susceptibility of paramagnetic substances is A. Negative, B. 0, C. Positive and small, D. Positive and large. The correct answer is C. Positive and small. Question 33. In a purely capacitive AC circuit, current A. leads voltage, B. lags voltage, C. is in phase, D. is 0. The correct answer is A. leads voltage. Question 34. The uncertainty principle becomes significant when dealing with A. macroscopic objects, B. atomic particles, C. planets, D. rigid bodies. The correct answer is B. atomic particles. Question 35. The energy stored per unit volume in a magnetic field is proportional to. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is B. B superscript 2. Question 36. Which process is responsible for laser action? A. Spontaneous emission, B. Stimulated emission. C. Photoelectric emission. D. Thermionic emission. The correct answer is B. Stimulated emission. Question 37. The work done by centripetal force in circular motion is A. Positive. B. Negative. C. 0. D. Maximum. The correct answer is C. 0. Question 38. In a transformer, lamination of core reduces A. Copper loss. B. Hysteresis loss. C. Eddy current loss. D. Flux loss. The correct answer is C. Eddy current loss. Question 39. The Doppler effect in light is significant for A. Low speeds. B. High relative speeds. C. Stationary observer. D. Short distances. The correct answer is B. High relative speeds.